President Mohammed Wahid Hassan of the Republic of the Maldives.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Well, that means a lot to us. It means that you care for what's happening not only here but also around the world. I come from a very small country called the Maldives, and some of you may know that it's a country made up of thousands of tiny tropical islands in the middle of the Indian Ocean. For centuries, Maldives has dazzled visitors with its spectacular beauty, palm-fringed beaches, soft white sands, and coral reefs teeming with marine life. But beauty is delicate, it is fragile, and the Maldives is no exception. The average height of our islands is just 1.5 meters above sea level. For us, climate change is not an abstraction. It is not a future threat. It is a clear and present danger to our existence today. Already, we see the warning signs. Heavy storms are causing increased beach erosion. Hotter sea temperatures are damaging our coral reefs, and sea levels are rising. For us, solving climate change is a matter of survival, and 350 is the most important number in our lives, because we must bring carbon dioxide levels back down below 350 per parts million so we can go on. In the Maldives, we are not prepared to sit by. We are not prepared to watch big polluters drag their feet on climate change. We will not roll up our trousers and run away from the waves. Instead, we are rolling up our sleeves and getting to work. We are announcing plans to become carbon neutral by 2020. On Thursday, we published our carbon neutral energy plan. This plan includes a target already approved by our cabinet to generate 60% of our electricity from solar power. If a small developing country can make this transformation, why can't the richer, larger nations do the same? I'm vice president and I'm a politician. And let me tell you something about politicians. We listen when you speak. We won't act unless you act first. This is where you come in. We are depending on a courageous people like you at over 2,000 events in 170 countries today to join voices behind our united message. That message is we must move the planet beyond fossil fuel. Move the planet. Move the planet. So, get on your computers, get on your bicycles, and get on to the streets and tell your politicians that unless they act on climate change, you won't vote for them. On the climate issue, it is so easy to feel defeated. It is so simple to give in to depression. It is so easy to abandon hope. But when I see thousands of people like you all around the world, from the north to the south, to the east and the west, from big countries and small countries, from rich nations to the poor, all lobbying campaign for 350, that gives me great hope. Hope that we can move beyond the politics of the big polluters. Hope that we can still protect the climate, and hope that my children and yours can live happily in our countries that is their home. Thank you for being here, and let's get moving. Thank you. Thank you.